Hey guys, in this video we're gonna learn how to solve the top layer. Let's start. When you have a line, this is the number one case. What you need to do is simple. This layer, it's called the face, clockwise. This layer, up, left, down, the top layer to the right, and bring it back. Same, I'll show it again. Front layer to the clockwise, up, yep, two more last times. Front layer to the clockwise, right layer up, top layer to the left, down, right, bring it back. Front layer clockwise, up, to the left, down, to the right, bring it back. Now we have an L shape. What you need to do now is you can just do the same formula. And you get the line and then you do this. That's better. But we also have another formula. If you want to learn it, learn it. But you can use the other method too. This method is easy too. This face clockwise, the top layer to the left, this right side layer up, the top layer to the right, right layer down, and bring it back. We have the cross solved. Hey guys, this is another case where there is only a center and no edges. What you need to do now is use any of the formulas I taught you. Yeah, the F, the right layer up, to the left, down, to the right, bring it back. You get an L. Always the L should be pointing to the top left, and use that formula. Front layer clockwise, up layer left, right, right layer up, to the right, down, done. Okay, hope you like. Yeah, you got across. Yeah, hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe.